So here I have this design, and to turn this into an artboard, I'll go to layer here and then new, and under new, I'm going to select artboard. And it's going to bring up a dialog box going to ask for the name. I'm just going to leave it as artboard 1 for now. And the width and height is automatically going to be set to the current size of your design. So I'm just going to press OK. And now you see it has been converted into an artboard. You see the artboard name up here, and then you see everything is now in a group in an artboard. And the good thing about this is if I want to create and duplicate this design to maybe make another version, I could just use the command J or Control J on Windows, and it's going to duplicate the artboard. So now I could do things like edit text, edit the images without affecting the original one. So I could make this its hammer's time. The original is still its hammer time, and then you could make changes independently. Yeah, so that's the good thing about using artboards, and that's how to easily change your designs, your existing designs into artboards. Then when it's time to export, all you have to do is go to File, Export, and then you go to Export As. So when you go to Export As, it's going to bring up a new dialog box again where you could select all of them, and then the quality, if you like to change the quality, you could do that here. The format to export is PNG, JPEG, or GIF, and you can reduce the scale. So that's how you can easily convert your existing designs into artboards in Photoshop. I hope you learned something new, and if you did, please let me know what you think. Thank you.